Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you show in thumbnail, today's video is completely dedicated to unlock your smartphone's pin pattern and password lock. And if you're watching this video, then I'm sure my friend your phone has been locked due to forgot pin pattern and password locked, and you have watched a lots of video to unlock your smartphone and still now you're not success to unlock your phone's pin pattern and password lock. So here I'm going to tell you there are some new tricks has been updated with the every service center, and the new trick what have been updated I'm going to tell you in this video, and you will have to watch this video till the end. Only then you will be able to unlock your smartphone by this new trick. If my previous video didn't work on your smartphone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry at all. By the new method what I'm going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end. Further in this video, I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work. Before reveal this method, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone should battery charge at least 30%, otherwise whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should fully battery charge of your smartphone at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of using this unlocking method. One of the most important thing that you will have to take care of it, this method updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with the help of this trick, then don't worry at all. By the next upcoming video, or you may also take help my older videos to unlock your smartphone, because there are some updates within 2 or 3 days. So you may also take help of my next upcoming videos. And if your phone is unlocked with the help of today's video, then do the like this video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make the next videos for the further help you. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and walk with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your smartphone fully, learning this method, mentioning it and applying it to your locked smartphone. As you know my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, your phone's all type of network like telecommunication network, Wi-Fi network and hotspot should be closed. So there are some special tricks to close all the networks. Simply you will have to drag your phone downside like this. You will get a lots of keys here. You can see here, see here with me. Now you can see here there is an option of an airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. Simply you will have to activate this flight mode option or airplane mode option to close all type of networks. So I'm going to activate this. You can see here after activating this flight mode option, all type of network has been deactivated. Okay, now your phone is ready to go with the master unlocking method. Okay, but before going to the master unlocking method, one more thing you will have to do with your smartphone, and the main thing is that your phone's all the background running applications should be closed. And generally it is not possible to close all the background running application when your phone is locked. So you don't have to worry about it. There are some secret codes which generated by the every service center to close all the background running application when your phone is locked. Okay, and this type of secret code you will have to feed the secret code in your phone dialing pad. So how will you activate your dialing pad? Simply you will have to slide your phone upside like this. Now you can see here this phone is locked due to forgot pattern lock. Now you can see here there is an option of an emergency SOS option. Okay, so simply you will have to click on this emergency SOS option, and at the first time when you will open this emergency SOS option, now you will have to open your phone's dialing pad like this. So my friend, mark my word, you will have to watch this video till the end. Okay, so don't skip any step. Now I'm going to give the secret code to close the background running application. The secret code, the recent secret code which has been updated is *88**55*12 121212. Okay, then has this is the recent secret code to close the background running application. After feeding this secret code, you will have to simply call on this secret code, but you will get a pop-up of a call failed pop-up. So don't worry at all. Simply you will have to ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again you will have to do the same process continuously 3 times. Okay, now after doing this process continuously 3 times, it means your phone's all the all the background running application are now closed. Okay, now after this simply you will have to clear your call log like this. After clearing this call log, now I'm going to give you a special USSD code which will switch your phone to the master unlocking mode page or engineers mode page. Okay, now this secret code is *#899 then #. Mark this number *#899 #. this number you will reach your phone to the new page. That page name is after sales page, or it's also known as engineers mode page. Okay, now after this you can see here there are lots of options on this page. Simply you can see here there is an option of a software version at the 5th number. Simply you will have to click on this software version option, and when you will click on this option you will get a new page like this. You will get a lots of options on this page. Now you can see here there is an option of a Android version option, and Android version 13 is showing here. It may be possible your phone will be showing here Android version 10, 11 or 12, and if your phone is showing here Android version 12, it means your phone's you will have to click on this Android version option 12 times continuously. But here my phone is showing here Android version 13, so I will have to click on this option 13 times continuously. So I'm going to do here, you can see with me, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. Now the first process has been done. After this simply you will have to go with the back button, and when you will go with the back button you will reach to the previous page, and you will get another option of a manual test option above the software version. So simply you will have to go with this manual test option, and when you will go with this manual test option you will reach to a new page. That page name is engineers mode page. You will get a 3 type of option on this page, but you don't have to go with any option on this page. Okay, simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of other, which will comes at the end of the slide. Okay, you can see here the slide has been ended. Now you will also get a 5 type of option on this page. You can see here. Now you can see here the 4th option is showing here main word version, or it may be possible your phone will be showing here database version, but don't worry at all, both the option have the same function but the different name. Okay, so simply you will have to click on this main word version or database version 9 times rapidly like this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now the step has been done. Now you can see here there is an option of a read write important log test option at the 2nd number. Simply you will have to click on this option. At the first time when you will click on this option you will get an option of a you will ask to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm here. Simply you will have to cancel here. At the 2nd time you will have to do the same, cancel here, and the 3rd time you will have to do the same, cancel here. But at the 4th time when you will click on this read write important log test option you will have to go with the OK button, and when you will go with the OK button it means your phone's all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are on reconstruction modes. Okay, now after this I'm going to give you a very last step which is most important, but if you have skipped a single step in this video it means your phone is not going to unlock and you have wasted your time with this video. Okay, so watch this video properly and follow the every step properly to unlock your smartphone in a single step. Okay, now simply you will have to, the last step is simply you will have to slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of a device debugging option. You can see here. Now you can see here device debugging option, and you will also get a lots of option on this page. Okay, now there is an option of a sensor self test and calibration option at the 6th number. Simply you will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this sensor self test and calibration option you will get a 3 type of option, 2 type of option, or 1 option on your phone display. So don't worry at all the option will be showing here operation not started. So simply you will have to start this operation by clicking on this option, and you will have to continue click on this option until you get a single test passed message in green color. Okay, so I'm going to click on these option. You can see here test has been started, test failed. The 2nd option test has been started, test failed. The 3rd option test has been started and test passed. It means a single test passed message has been appeared on my phone display. It means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything with my smartphone. Now I will have to simply check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So simply you can see here at the bottom of the phone there is an option of a home button. Simply you will have to click on this option to check whether your phone has been unlocked. And if your phone unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make the next these type of videos to further help you. Okay, so I'm going to click on this home button. So my friend, you can see here my phone has been completely unlocked, and all the applications which were in my smartphone as it is as in my smartphone. So these type of videos help you to save your all the data. So watch this video properly to unlock your smartphone. Thank you so much. See you in next video.